Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. Today we are making ugaroll. This is a known Ugandan street food that is really so yummy. It has a different types. You can make one for chicken, one for beef, and different other variations. These are some of the ingredients we are going to be using. Today we are making one of with minced meat. So in a pan, add a little bit of oil, let that heat up, and then you add some cumin seeds. These have a very nice aroma, and I find cumin to be really suitable with beef. It has a nice aroma and also a very distinct taste that it gives to the beef. Then once the onions have caramelized, we add in the minced meat. Make sure that it has defrosted, and if it has fats in it, then just reduce on the oil you are using to cook this minced meat. So to that I added spices. I added some of course salt, and we have rosemary and also mixed spices. Also coriander powder goes well in this minced meat, and you can as well add the cumin seeds. So add the garlic, or if you have a ginger and garlic paste, it works just fine as well in this recipe. Help me grow by subscribing to Ugandan Kitchen, like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. So you add in the garlic. If at all you have ginger and garlic paste, it works just fine in this recipe. So you go ahead and add in the vegetables that you would love to taste in this minced meat. Here we have one chopped carrot. You can as well add in the different bell peppers. We have the green, the yellow, the red bell peppers just to make it colorful. So steam up those vegetables, and then we add in the tomato sauce or tomato paste. This will help holding the minced beef together and also bring in another nice taste to it. Then we add in the coriander. The coriander, when we are using it, we use the roots in cooking, and then we garnish with the leaves. So cook that up, and then you add in the mixed herbs. So those are a little bit of dried thyme, dried oregano, dried sage. So these also have another nice taste and health benefits that they add to this minced beef. Taste with salt and the rest of the other spices, and let that cook up for 2 to 3 minutes and set it aside. And we move on onto the vegetables, onto the salad that we are going to be adding in the ugaroll or beef wrap. Like you can see, we have cucumber, we have tomato, onions, carrot, we have lettuce, we have, we are making just like a side vegetable that we are going to either add inside the wrap or as well have on the side of the wrap. So it can do both ways. A ugaroll is like another version of Rolex. Rolex, it is getting paratha, or what we call chapati, and then you make like an omelette and then add it inside the chapati and wrap all that up together, and you are good to go. So it can do for breakfast, it can do for lunch, it can do for dinner. Let me know what you call the ugaroll from where you come from, because here in Uganda we call it ugaroll. To some people they call it wraps, so I don't know what you call it from where you are from. So the fresh vegetables used to make this salad will definitely make the ugaroll to taste fresh and also make it very juicy. So here we are adding the lemon juice. In case you do not have any lemon around, you can use a little bit of citric acid, you can use the orange juice, you can use white vinegar. This really helps in killing any harmful bacteria in these greens. It is also anti-browning ingredient in the fruits. Also adding lemon juice to these vegetables does not only enhances the taste but also doubles the benefits of these vegetables. So here we are adding the avocado. Make sure that you have a very nice ripe avocado that you add to this vegetable. Feel free to make a salad of your choice that you'd love to go with your beef wrap or ugaroll. So we finish up with salt and black pepper. You can as well add a little bit of coriander and you are good to go. So like you can see, our minced beef is already ready and it is already at the side, and also here we are done with our vegetables. So we move on to the sauce. So to this I added ketchup, mustard, Dijon mustard, mixed herbs and a little bit of plain yogurt. Mix all that up and you are good to go. So I used dried oregano. Like you can see, I love it and I feel like it goes well in the finishing, in the garnishing, and also I love having it in my recipes. So like you can see, we are done and we start wrapping up our ugaroll. So you start with the sauce. This will help the rest of the other ingredients like the minced beef to stick onto like the chapati or the paratha, and then you add on the mixed vegetables that you have prepared like we had done, and then you are good to go. So at this rate the wrap is ready and you can just have it the way it is with just those other vegetables, or you can go ahead and add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. This will make it really yummy. It will also make it juicy, and with the cheese, because once you add the cheese it implies you will have to take it back on the pan so that the cheese can melt and you are good to go. So you can either wrap it or you can just fold it just like they do for tortilla, and then you are good to go. I hope you like the video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching from. Welcome to the channel. If it is your first time on Ugandan Kitchen, you are welcome. It is good to have you here. Kindly help me grow by subscribing, like and share. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. So once we are done, we are transferring this onto a pan. So you grease the pan with a little bit of margarine or butter and let all that brown just a little bit, and then you flip it to the other side, and during this time the cheese is melting and everything is all sticking in there. It is all getting juicy like you can see, and you are good to go. So I hope you like the video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. These wraps, the chapatis, I will be leaving the link in the description box of these chapatis. These are Amaranth chapatis. You know, we have made the pumpkin chapatis, the avocado chapatis, the spinach chapatis. So these the Amaranth chapatis, and they are so nice. They are layered and they are so soft. Try them out and let me know what you think about them in the comment section. So this is how I served them. You can as well just add a dipping sauce at the side. You can add some French fries on the side and you are good to go. So I hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.